Let's discuss replacing the map sensor on a 2001 Honda Odyssey with a 3.5 liter. Now the map sensor is located right on top of the intake here, very easy to get to. So we can simply disconnect the electrical connector, take our Phillips head screwdriver and remove the one screw holding it in place. Once that's out of the way, we'll gently twist, rotate as we lift the old one out. We need to make sure that the old O-ring came out with it. Now you'll see our new map sensor looks almost identical to the original one. It's got the same fit, form, and function. We're going to take a little bit of clean engine oil and lubricate the O-ring here so it doesn't get cut during the installation process. Now we'll gently install it in place here. Take the screw, reinstall it, and plug in the map sensor. Now it's important, if any trouble codes have been set, to clear them before starting the vehicle.